Right, we're halfway there. So, Road UK Blue, the Chris Bagley walk. Just need to follow that one, okay? It's just up here. Okay, the second signpost. Make sure you don't turn left up here because you'll end up at the farm. I don't think the farmer's going to be very happy. He's scaring his sheep, etc. So, make sure you stay on the right side. Okay. Okay, like I said before, the Road UK and the Humphreys path. Okay. So I mentioned about the pools before. There's pools up here, 2 or 3. Oh, ships. I'll take you round. Make sure you go past these pools here. You can see. Pull there. Let's pull there. If you want to fish, you need to speak to the farmer and have their permission for the day. I'm not sure how much it costs, but I'd like to find out myself. So answers on a postcard, please. Do let me know also, as I'd like to fish up here also too. Right, we're getting there. We're getting there. Not far to go now. See you shortly. Ta-ra.